Welcome, future certified Hubmaster, and I am so excited that you're about to get started with your training. Now, before you get into anything else, there's one piece of advice I want to give you that's going to be super helpful for you while you're doing this curriculum, both now and in the future when you are building hubs. And it is this: I want you to write down support.ihub.app, and I'm putting it down below in our curriculum. This is our support knowledge center, and it is the main place for you to figure out how to do anything with the IHUBApp. We have great articles in there. We have wonderful videos. We're taking you through all the basics in this curriculum, but it's also in our support center. The other thing is we have a growing and thriving community in support.ihub.app. You can find other questions that are going there, but more importantly, you can even go in and make a request for a new feature for our platform. If you put a feature request in support.ihub.app, it's under general discussion. Other Hubmasters and other people from the community can actually upvote that, and we're going to give it more attention. And if you can't find the article that you're looking for, then you can submit a request into our support center, and that will put your request up to the top of our queue so that we can take care of you.